They're probably still gonna get in because crackheads don't care. What's going on, guys? Ben with liftedimports.com. Today we're gonna do a quick install and just a short review. You guys know I absolutely love ADF, or Anderson Design and Fabrication, mainly because they bring some parts to the market that no one else has ever built, and I really appreciate them for that. Now, what we're gonna be doing today is an ADF Molle panel, and then to go with this Molle panel, I am going to install an ADF fire extinguisher holder or bracket. Now, I don't have the fire extinguisher on hand. I'm gonna go get one later today, probably, or tomorrow. I already installed one of these in my Jeep because Jeeps are fire hazards, and so I put one in there. But we're gonna do one in the Forester. Now, before we get started, I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna be like, wow, Uncle Benny, aren't you gonna clean out the back of your Subaru Forester, your 2006 SG, before you get started on a video for everyone to see? No, absolutely not. I don't give a fudge. I've got a XJ 3-link kit cross member in the back. I don't give a freaking heck. It is what it is. Got my Capri Sun here. We're ready to rock and roll. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film this. I've never installed a Molle panel before. So I'm gonna film it, and then at some point coming up soon, I'll just cut straight to my thoughts afterwards, because I've never done this before, so I can't give you any tips ahead of time. So we're gonna have to wait until I make a bunch of mistakes and have to do this a bunch and have some afterthoughts on it before I can really tell you what to do. So we'll put that in here. So installing the Molle panel itself, super easy. Literally just held it in one place with one hand and then zip the first screw in with the other hand. Pick a screw that's easy to hold into place with only one hand. I was able to do one that was facing down, but it might have been easier to do one facing up because the drill bit that I had wasn't magnetized, so the screw kept falling out. You just want to make sure that before you lay that first screw down, that you make sure all the holes are kind of in a good spot where you're going to want them. This is how mine turned out. I'm going to go ahead and throw the fire extinguisher in. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll jump back on and let you know how that turned out. It's good to go. It is a little challenging to feed your hand behind the Molle rack to hold the lock nuts in position while you tighten the Allen screws in, but I want to show you something real quick. There is two different types of holes on these. There's a set of holes that's in the center, and then an outside set. It allows you to mount this either vertically like this on this set of narrow holes, or you can turn it horizontal if you need to and mount it the long way on a set of those holes. This took me maybe 3.5 minutes to install the extinguisher mount after I had the Molle panel installed. Super easy. I don't think you're gonna have a hard time doing it. I just had a little help from my friend Capri Sun over here, obviously. Yum, Capri Sun. Let me just explain real quick why you would want Molle panels in your Subaru, or any off-road car for that matter. Number one, if you live in the good old battlefield of Portland, Oregon, where I grew up, you don't want people breaking into your windows and taking your stuff. Now, obviously, you can't Molle rack every single window in your Subaru, but that's one little feature. Somebody might see that and be like, well, gosh, dude, I'm gonna have to push really hard, to get through that glass and get whatever's in the trunk. They're probably still gonna get in because crackheads don't care, but that's one small benefit. The other benefit is more related to actually off-roading and things like that. It gives you a real nice place to organize some of your most essential items up off the ground in an area where they're not gonna be covered up or just messy and scattered around, piled on top of by other gear. It's gonna be right there every time where you can easily access it and then put it right back where it goes. Because these Molle racks, they've got these little holes in them where you can mount all sorts of stuff. You can install Molle bags on them to where you can put some like tire gauges and things like that in your Molle bags. I'm using this one specifically to firstly mount this fire extinguisher bracket, but I will start using it I'll probably get a Molle bag and put that on there. But that's why you would want them, is mainly for things that you need to grab, like in either, a really short amount of time, like a fire extinguisher, or something that you're using regularly that you need to have access to quickly, like tire deflators or tire repair kits, things like that. Anything that you regularly have your hands on that needs to be accessible, It's a great place to put it. These do go directly into the plastic, so they're not anchored in any steel. Probably don't want to exceed more than 10 pounds per Molle panel on these. I think that's what the ADF website says. Probably just going to want to use it for small things. You're not going to want to try to like mount an air compressor to it or something goofy like that. I know you guys are going to cry and whine and say, oh, why is it so much money for a Molle rack? The reality is this is such a niche product, which makes it so exciting. The fact that this is even available is cool. Nobody else makes these. And if they do, they're just knocking this one off. So they went to all the trouble to do this stuff, build it locally. It's literally built locally, built with good quality materials, powder coated locally in Oregon. All of it is on point. It costs a lot of money to buy the machines that build this stuff. Super pumped on this, super helpful. I'm really excited to actually have this in my vehicle now. I was at the ADF warehouse recently and I was like, dude, let me get one of those Molle racks since I'm here. So yeah, it was super easy, super simple. Let me go ahead and just show you kind of the finished product with my still super messy trunk. That's what we got. Boom. She's ready. This is absolutely going to be fantastic for just putting some little Molle bags on, putting a couple tools on there, nothing heavy, just keeping some things organized and up off the floor and secure when we're running around off-road. If you're on the fence about getting a set of these Molle panels for your Subaru, I say go for it. They are 100% worth it. Everything they make is R&D'd in-house and produced with good materials. So check them out if you haven't already. Until next time, I'll see you guys out on the trail. Hope you have a great day.